everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video, we are going to see one interesting topic which is flash fill. Before starting the video flash fill, I would like to say you one thing. Those who are new to the channel, consider subscribing the channel. Before watching this video, you just don't forget to see the first part of this video. The link is given in the I button and the description box below. So let's start with my example which I've already created here. How to use the flash fill video part 1. I have already explained you how to extract the name, middle name, last name and the first name from the given text which is shown in the example. Alright, let's start today's video. In this we will see how to create a sentence using flash fill. So shortcut keys is Control E. We will write manually here the sentence which is Siddharth age is 35, right? So you can also use the flash fill option from the data tab. Click on the data tab and then near to data tools, data validation, you are able to find out one option which is flash fill. Let's find out. Now click on the data tab and then find out the flash fill option, or else you can type Control E from the keyboard and the entire record will get reflected here. Alright, entire column will fill up with the corresponding sentences. Now I will show you another example. Sometimes there is information like name, city and the pin code are given, so we can extract the name, pin code and place from by using the flash fill, right? So type here manually the name here like Siddharth and press the Control E, or go to the data tab and press the flash fill from there. So the entire column will fill up with the names. In the same way we will can try the place. We can extract the place from the given information. We will type here manually Mumbai and और Control E बटन प्रेस करते ही होगा मैजिक दैट द एंटायर कॉलम जो भी होगा वो फिल हो जाएगा प्लेस के साथ. ओके, सो अब ट्राई करते हैं पिन कोड के साथ. पिन कोड भी हम एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. सेम वे we will type here the pin code manually like it's here written. Okay, now typing the manually, press Control E or go to the data tab and find out the flash fill option, or else just use the Control E, okay, which is very fast, which performs the function very quickly. In this way you can extract the pin code extract कर सकते हो by using the Control E option. Alright, so let's switch over to the next example of flash fill. Here on the screen you're able to see certain dates are there which are written consecutively in one column. So we can extract the day. So type करेंगे यहाँ manually 15. So we'll find out the corresponding day from the given date. Press the Control E button and see the magic. Alright, so अब month भी extract करते हैं ऐसे ही. Type here the month from the given date manually by yourself from the keyboard and then press Control E and the month will be extracted from the given date. Okay, so let's try with the year. Type here 1947 and then press Control E or go to the data tab. Now let's start another example of flash fill. Here combine text of GSTN number and the state code in the PAN card are written here. समटाइम्स ऐसा एक होता है इंफॉर्मेशन जिसमें आपको स्टेट कोड एंड पैन कार्ड एक्सट्रैक्ट करना पड़ता है, तो फिर करना ही क्या है, फ्लैश बिल यूज़ कर ही लेते हैं ना. ओके, सो विल राइट हियर मैनुअली the state code, which is 25. In the example, it's imaginary data. Don't get emotional with the data, right? So by pressing the control E, the entire column will fill up with the state code. Now type here manually the PAN card, which is written here. Write here manually the PAN card number, and then by pressing the control E, the entire column will fill up with the PAN card, which is given here. So I'm typing here manually. Keyboard से type करिए PAN card number as I've written here, and then press Ctrl E from the keyboard or go to the data tab and press fresh fill option. The magic will happen and the entire column will fill up with the PAN number. In this way you can finish your hours of work within seconds. I hope you have now understood how to use the flash fill option, and now don't forget to like the video, right? And those who are new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel. This motivates me to create videos such as this. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and good luck.